And actually this is one of the best features. It's the wheels again, the dollar, which is already included. It's not as heavy as some of them, so it's because it's aluminum. So what you need to do first, I guess, to open up, that's what I would assume, okay? Then you take this hitch over here, pull it down, just all the way up. It's automatically locked in. And the next step, you would need to lift it up a little bit. And actually it's not as heavy, okay? And I'll show you from this side what you need to do as well. So next step, when you insert it, you pull it out. You need to pull it all the way up, and now it's locked in. So this piece would lock in this hole in the hitch. So once you insert it and lock on the side, then you take this Allen key and start to turning. I already tightened up, so you're just turning to the right side. So once you tighten up well, shake it a bit, wiggle, and tighten up to make sure the rack is not moving anywhere, no wiggling at all. Very solid feeling, like I think it's very good build and very solid. Very impressed, not only by quality, but how everything smoothly works right now. So next step gonna be, basically you just open up like this, and ramp right over here, on this side, there's a knob. You loosen up, okay, open, and remove it. You do exactly the same on this side now. Okay, you loosen up on this side, put it back down, remove it, and now you would need to assemble it. Basically you would just insert right here from both sides and push it, I guess, let's see, like this. Very easy, but this no tools needed. Okay, now this ramp is assembled, and let me show you how it works. And the ramp's going on the side whichever bike you're gonna put on, because there's two bicycle can fit. I'm probably gonna put on this one to try it out. So you basically just pull it as a metal one and lay it down, so you can bring the bicycle in. Here is a locking mechanism in order to lean this rack. So first you would need to lift it up. I'll just show you this before I put the bicycle in, and pull it down, and it will lean like this. Okay, to lean it back, it will lock automatically, and then you put this metal piece, just move it a little bit, and it will be down like this. So it's very simple, and you have to just lift it up before leaning and close it back here. Very simple mechanism, very solid bike rack, no shaking, no wiggling at all. So that's how it's gonna look. So now I'm gonna attach the bicycle and to show you how it will look and how to lock it in. It does come with three different sizes to hold the bike in place. Oh, here's a clamp, and this is tightening mechanism. This is rubbish, so it will keep it in place very well. Another feature for security, it comes with a key over here. So once you attach the bike, you can lock in with a key, so nobody can remove your bike. That comes with every one, like over here and on this one and on this one. The same key they have, so you can open up, and they're covered up with rubber, so it will not get rusted or damaged from the water, and it's closed like this. And I'm literally will do it for the first time. I'll have a Lucky X2 model as a model right now to see how easy to attach it's gonna be, because this one is clamp attachable, and actually it can be, looks like can be removable. Let's see. Oh, okay, you can completely remove it if you want to by pushing this two locking, but I'm gonna keep it on. That's a really cool feature as well. So let's see how easy it's gonna be for me to put it in. It's exactly first time as anybody will try. So just use this ramp, use the brake. I'm gonna remove this stand and just, okay, pedals, make sure it's not on the way, and go in. Boom, it's already up. Now the difficult part is going to be attaching this frame, but I feel very good about this rack. And you see this mechanism, you just attaching on this side, and like some other racks would require extra tools, extra accessories in order to attach the step through. Hardest way to attach the step through, because there's no frame actually on this one to attach, and this one you just tighten up. Okay, you would tighten up very well so you don't want the bike to fall off anywhere. So it's holding well now. Then you would attach this strap. Basically pulling in, and you can tighten up. Okay, like this. Another strap right here, and I usually recommend to extra security to get extra some strap if you want, like something else to just to put extra something else. I'm gonna get, I don't have it, but I'm gonna get, because looks like this plastic one, you see there is a inserted. Oh, something wrong going on here. Oh, I need to insert different way. Okay, now it's got it. So this side and on this side also. And I got mail came. So and you pull it in, okay, and you can remove the ramp, and you can basically do the same thing on both bicycles. And here's how you release the strap. You just push it all the way down over here, and it can be moved. Okay, so you need to basically push on this side, and it will release it. With one hand it's harder, but that's how it works. There's also a button over here, but you basically just push it down like this, and it will open it, and then you just insert it, pull it down, and tighten up. Use extra strap, I would recommend. Some should be available on Amazon or Hardware Tools to just secure it better. So first I want to show you the Velcro, actually, to keep them in place while you're driving. If you don't use it for the second bicycle, okay, you just keep them here. But since you don't need it, you can also attach somewhere over here. So it basically secure the extra clamp on the side, so it will not wiggle while you're riding. Now I will show you how to lean the bicycle. So you need to lift it up and push it down. Okay, push it down. Now you can lean the bike on the side. And I want to show you a demonstration. Once you lean the bike, even the two bicycle will not be on the way when you open the trunk. So I'm gonna open it. As you can see, it's this all enough clearance, and it should be pretty good, because the second bicycle will be right over here, so there's no way we'll touch the hitch. But always be careful, because also depend on the car you have. So it's very simple and nice. And to put it back, basically you just need to push it all the way down. You will lock in automatically. Over here you would need to close this piece down. Now it's ready for trip. And that's how you use this hitch rack or bicycle rack. And once you finish, it's basically simple like this. You just break on the half and will be separated. You can insert it back underneath, okay, if you want to, same way as you can remove it. But if you don't, you can put inside the car basically and then use them. I will probably put inside the car, will be easy to reach, and they're very light, all aluminum. And my first impression is pretty well, as it's very light, easy to use. I like the way it's roll. Once you remove it, easy to put it back. But I don't have any long-term experience, so I'm gonna make a follow-up video on this, and I will try to put some other bicycles to see how it will look. Also, if they will fit, because I saw some feedback that some bicycle like Red Pow would not fit on this rack. So I'm gonna do that video, and I have some other rack in the description link with a discount, so you might want to check. This rack is much more solid, it's a steel rack, so please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button underneath in this video, like it, okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.